Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So I had purchased a screen protector for my car for the display here, which has this LCD screen on the both side and one here as well. So this is how it came to me yesterday. So today it has two parts. One is for this LCD screen here, and one is for this AC display here as well. So let's see how it is inside. So it has this is for the AC display. It has this wet wipes and dry wipes both, and yeah, this is the screen protector. This is the front side and this is the back side here. So let's see how to install this. I think it should be pretty much the same as we do it in the mobile display. So as you can see here, already we have one layer of a screen protector which is installed from the showroom itself. So we will remove this now. So this is just a thin plastic sheet which is been installed, and this is the better one, which it doesn't give any scratches or anything on the display. And we should make sure that there should not be any dust here, so we need to use this wet wipes and dry wipes both. We need to clean this both the screens using these wipes. So this is wipe one, wet wipe, and this is the dry one. First we need to use the wet one and we need to clean this, and then with the dry we need to clear the extra remaining dirt. The wet wipe which they have provided to us. So let us clean this screens. So as it is a smaller one, they have given two wipes, so if it is not sufficient we can use the other one as well. So one will not be sufficient, so I'm taking the other. So I'm taking the other one as well. You should make sure that the edges are also clean here, because that is the one where you get the most dust accumulated. So this is the dry one. So we need to clear the screen once again using the dry one, so that the excess dirt will be gone. I can just lightly rub on it. No need to put pressure or something. Okay, just no need, don't press and clean this. You will get some finger marks over here, so just lightly you clean this and that should be fine. Yeah, they have mentioned this is the front side and this is the back side, so we need to remove this and place it here properly, covering all the edges. Okay, so let's do it. The screen guard which we are going to install it now. Here we need to make sure the edges are straight. Place it at one edge and then go on swiping until edge. You have this card they have provided, so you can just keep on swiping like this and it get attached to the screen. So you see some bubbles here, so that can be removed using this card. Just swipe it to the end and that will be gone. So you can see here, just swipe it towards the end and that bubble will be gone. Okay, see how I have some more bubbles here as well. So just swipe on it, just take it to the end and leave it and that will be gone. See, it's simple here to install this. It's just as we do it in our mobile phones. Okay, now you can see here the installation of the screen guard is done. So we need to remove this one final layer, the protection layer of the one screen guard. So before that, we just see if there is any more bubbles there or bubbles left, so that we can use it by removing this card here. Yeah, so I don't see any more bubbles here. So yeah, we are good to remove this sticker. Slowly we remove this. Yeah, installed the screen guard here. You can see. So we have one more screen guard here to be installed. So this is for the AC vent here. You can see it has this cutout as well, and it fits perfectly also. Okay, so you can see this is the another screen guard which is used for this AC vent here, AC vent control here. So you can see this is how it is getting placed, and we can see the exact cutouts here for the buttons as well. So we also have one layer of a cover here, so we can remove this. So you can see the place is bit tidy, like it's small place, and there are few buttons also, so you can't remove the bubbles here. So it goes after some time when you are using it, so should not be any issue here. Yeah, I don't see any more bubbles here left. Almost all the bubbles have been eliminated, and the positioning is also okay. It is decently placed. Let's remove the upper cover. Okay, so now I'm removing the top one protection layer on this one also. Yeah, so this is how it looks. This one also fits perfectly here. There's no any issues here. Yeah, so we have installed both the screen guard here and this one AC control screen guard also. Guys, the screen guard installation is done finally, and I hope this video will be helpful for you. I have few more similar videos regarding the Kia Connect activation and purchasing of my car as well in my channel, so you can go and watch that. I will put the Kia Connect activation video in the I button, so you can go and check that one also. So I'll keep on putting similar videos regarding to my car, and I will put a complete overview also in some time. After 1 month of my purchase, I will let you know how it is, what is the mileage I'm getting in this car, and some other stuff. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.